Towards e-coaching, the first step to build trust, a digital coach. This is the title of our project, financed by Erasmus Plus program and realizing by partners from Europe, from Tampere University of Applied Sciences, Technical University of Crete, University of Leipzig, and Białystok University of Technology. We cordially invite you to take part in the conference that summarizes the results of our project of e-coaching methodology in teaching such skills like programming, entrepreneurship, and math, higher mathematics in calculus and linear algebra. The conference will take place at Białystok University of Technology at the Faculty of Computer Science on 21st and 22 February this year. We invite you to take part at the place personally. However, the form of the conference is going to be also hybrid. Please come to us and take opportunity to meet people from around Europe who are using coaching and e-coaching methodology in teaching. We address the conference to academic teachers, school teachers, and also administrative staff of university that are responsible of quality of teaching. So see you in Białystok at the place in February. Please register at the website in the link. However, if you have any question, please do not hesitate to take some opportunity and ask us what's going on, what's the question, and about details.